Statistician General Padile Hutla released the media estimates in Cape Town on 14 May 2013. Projections were based on knowledge of population size, age structure, rates of birth, rates of death, and migration, as well as assumptions about how these change.
We come to the conclusion that the population of South Africa is 52.9 million, which is almost 53 million, which is 2 million more than what it was in 2011. And that's the media estimate for 2013.
The estimated media population for 2013 is 53 million. 51% of the population was female and 49% male, with Africans being the majority. 1/3 of the population was aged under 15 years. Of those younger than 15 years, 22% live in KwaZulu-Natal and 19.5% live in Gauteng.
Planned parenthood is an issue. So that idea of a finite population that will be appropriate is confronted by a number of very, very strong empirical evidence that suggests that we cannot talk about a finite number. It would be a very absurd proposition, because it will be defeated by a number of other things that there isn't any empirical evidence in the world that there is a finite population.
When looking at main migration streams, Gauteng and Western Cape received the highest number of migrants, with Eastern Cape, Free State and Limpopo experiencing the largest outflow.
The number of jobs that have been created are not sufficient to capture the population that requires or looking for jobs. But more importantly is the skill that people have when they step there and ask for a job. The economy is very, very fast mechanizing in agriculture, in mining, and so on.
Different population groups display very different dynamics, but unemployment among South Africans remains a challenge.
The concept of media estimates is meant to ensure that on an annual basis we have an estimate or a number that the total population of a country would be estimated at. Remember, in 2001 there was a census before the census 2011. So since 2002 there have been media estimates that were released in July of every month of every year from 2002 until today.
The population dynamics of our country tell us a story of where we come from and how far we are in our journey to where we want to go. And as Statistics South Africa, we let the numbers do the talking.